Hi everyone, if you want to explore a suite of powerful Adobe tools without the initial cost, today I'll show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on both PC and Mac. Imagine having access to industry-leading applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more, all bundled in one place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone eager to dive into creative projects, this free trial is a fantastic opportunity to get started. Let's get into how you can make it happen. First, click on the link in the video description below. This will take you straight to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign-up page. Signing up is a breeze. Click the Start Free Trial button. Select your plan. Even though you're starting with a free trial, you'll need to select a plan to proceed. The individual plan offers a 7-day free trial, while the business plan offers a longer 14-day trial with additional features. Choose the one that works best for you. You will have to put your email address that you want your Adobe account to be connected with, and then click Continue. Enter your payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you during the trial period. Enter your payment information to activate the trial, and note when it ends to avoid charges if you decide not to continue. Once you've registered, the next step is to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is your central hub for managing all Adobe applications. The download process is designed to be quick and easy, ensuring a smooth experience. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get the app up and running on your computer. After installation, launch the Creative Cloud app and sign in using the email you used to sign up. You'll now see a list of all available Adobe apps. From here, you can choose which applications you want to install. Simply click on the Install button next to the app you want to use. Whether you need Photoshop for photo editing, Illustrator for vector graphics, or Premiere Pro for video editing, it's all at your fingertips. Opting for the free trial gives you the flexibility to explore a limited range of the full Adobe Creative Cloud apps. This trial period is perfect for testing out different tools and seeing which ones best fit your workflow. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with Adobe's ecosystem before deciding on a subscription plan. My team and I rely heavily on Adobe Creative Cloud for all our creative projects. It truly offers the best tools in the market. Whether editing photos, designing graphics, or producing videos, Creative Cloud has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more insightful tech guides and tutorials. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. Enjoy exploring Adobe Creative Cloud. This guide helps you unlock your creative potential. See you in the next video.